Hello, it's Ryan here from RLF Vacuum Cleaners in Lakenheath, and in today's video we're going to be repairing some wiring looms of a piece of equipment. Now, what happens to these wiring looms is they get water in them and the DC voltage tracks across and blows the piece of equipment up. These are on flow meters, so you have your red is your voltage in, black is your ground, and brown is your sensing wire, and this blows the flow meter up, basically shorts it out, buggers these connectors up. So what we're going to do is we're going to repair these connectors. We're going to take the old connectors out and we're going to put a new plastic piece on as well, just to show that this one has been repaired. So what we'll very simply do is we'll grab one of these like so, and we'll grab a screwdriver and we would literally just press on the little tabs on the back and the wires pull out. Now, I'll throw that bit away. Keep the heat shrink back. That's what we'll basically do. Grab my cutters. Cut that one off. Cut that one off. Recently, the other day, I was given a pair of these Senator automatic wire strippers, which are full metal construction. They're actually pretty good. I'm relatively new to automatic wire strippers, so strips it off lovely like that. Yeah, relatively new to automatic wire strippers. I always use manual ones, but these ones are actually pretty good. Might have a lot of these to repair. These connectors, I ordered them from CPC, and you can see that the number is on there. They're basically 3.96mm terminals. And I ordered the genuine Molex ones simply because of the application that they're going in. It's very, very high. Well, it wasn't worth cutting the corners. You can buy cheaper terminals, but I thought, seeing as the original manufacturers used Molex pins, we'll use Molex pins again. Basically, you've got a special crimping tool for these ones. You just put the terminal in there, shove the wire through, get this on camera, and just squeezed in. There we are. I don't know how that's going to come up on camera, but let's actually crimp that down lovely like that. So that's that one. Got the red one there. This terminal tool, I don't know how it's going to pick it up on the camera. It's got two sizes, which is an American wire gauge. So we want the 18 to 22, because these terminals are 18 to 24 gauge. So just shove that in there like that. Gently apply a bit of pressure till it crimps, and that holds the crimping like so. Wire goes in like so. Crimp that down like so, give it a quick tug, give it a quick tug. They're all nice and tight. So what we'll do is, for the connectors, I just bought the cheap ones from Komodo Electronics. They're CH connectors, and I don't know how well I'll pick it up, but that's all the technical specifications for them. They're 3.96 pitch. These are going on 5-volt powered flow meters, so these are well over. They do 257 amps, so these ones are probably like 5-volt, a couple of milliamps. But yeah, I just bought cheap ones offline, simply because the original ones come as sort of like the dark blue Molex ones, one of the clear ones, to show that they've been repaired. old one, so you can get the wire configuration correct. The old wire configuration is red, black, brown. So that one there is red, sticks it like that, black, brown, and then we'll go the old bit of heat shrink. Just connect that through like so. And there we go. Hey presto, one repaired wire loom. These wire looms are actually quite expensive to buy from the manufacturer, so what I've done is I've saved a load of old ones and I've repaired it for effectively less than 50p each. So what we'll do is grab a bag, wind that up into a little loop, and we'll package them all up and then we'll test them later, make sure they're all good, and then move on to the next one. So it's very simply screwdriver in, push the little tabs down on the back, push it in, screwdriver down, tumble it out. The camera shows that was actually held in by these tiny little locking tabs on the back, we're just pushing them in. See what the new ones we got. Ooh. So there is well. Have to be turbo out. Grab a load. And some new housings. So for a long time I was put off by these rachet thingies. I think they're very good, but they're actually pretty good. Grab my crimping tool, push it in, clicks, wire in, wire in, and just crimp till it releases. Give it a quick tug test. It's all good. Boom, that's all good. Red, black, brown. That one. Red. Black. Brown. Get the heat shrink again. Boom, down, move on to the next one. So we'll push the wire in, down in, down and out. With crimping and everything, it's relatively quick, saving time, saving money. Because these wire looms from the manufacturer, quite a few pounds each, and all the repair bits I bought come to less than £5. Already had the crimping tool. So potentially you could repair hundreds of wiring looms for basically £5 or £6. Obviously not taking into account your time, but then again, if you're working on these, getting lots of them to do. So yeah, the manufacturers charge quite a few pounds for their wiring looms, and very recently all the repair bits I've bought comes to about £5 or £6, not including the crimping tool, but I already had the crimping tool. That's basically saving lots of money. This is the last one. This is basically a trial project. Basically say collect up all your old wire looms, I'll repair them and potentially save themselves quite a lot of money. Obviously these are quite a common failure, and you get through quite a lot of them. But yeah, definitely tool of the day, the Senator automatic wire strippers. I'm a convert now, obviously for doing bigger cables like flicks and stuff. My Nipex Ergo strip be perfect, but when you're doing sort of small electronic wires, lots of very repetitive things, can't fault it. Can't fault it. Absolutely love it. So what I've got here, got an old flow meter, just basically going to check to make sure. Yeah, they fit on there nice and tight. A few minutes. Got loads of repaired wiring looms. I'm ready to go out on machines. Ready to go out and fix some more machines. Basic tools. Obviously you don't need an automatic wire stripper, but it helps. I don't know, what, £30 worth of tools, including the crimping tool, cutters, automatic wire stripper, cheapy screwdriver, some terminals. Potentially save yourself a lot of money while repairing these connectors. So that's all the connectors bagged up and labelled, all ready to go. And I will see you in the next video, whenever that will be, doing some more genuine electrical stuff. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.